It is Monday, January 23rd. Woo! We got a restock of several things in, but first of all, I want to tell you about some upcoming classes. Unfortunately, our Learn to Knit and Learn to Crochet instructor with a few other classes is having transportation issues, and therefore we've had to postpone some classes, and we're going to start them a little later. So I think everyone got a phone call about that. But we do have some classes going on. So anybody who wants to start the Stephen West honeycomb jacket that three of us started, or actually five of us started it a year ago. We are now back. We're rebooting it. It's a knit along. So if you didn't get in on the first, but you'd like to try it on now, come on. We'd love to have you. But that is Thursday, this Thursday from 1 to 3. We are rebooting the honeycomb jacket. And Amy and Kathy, I expect to see you. All right. Next, on the 29th, it's a Sunday, this Sunday, macrame. They're making the macrame butterfly wall hanging from 2 to 4. It's not exactly a beginner project, but if you have tried macrame before, then that might be a good spot for you. It's kind of the next step. And then we right now have on February 1st a hat class. If you want to learn how to knit in the round and decrease to make a hat, that'll be great. It is a 2-session class on the 1st and the 15th of February. I'm not sure what days those are right this minute. I didn't write that down, but it's $50 for those 2 classes. The macrame class is... it comes with supplies, and I'm not 100% sure how much it is. But call us, 910-692-3528, and we will get you signed up. All right, we got back in our fabulous Toft crochet kits. They are so cute, so clever, and really relatively simple. So very self-explanatory. They come with everything. The yarn, the hook, the needle, to finish it off, and the stuffing. So it's a self-contained package. This one is $40. I think they're all 40, but I'm not sure. So she scales them beginner 1, and then intermediate 2, and then 3 a little more advanced. So I'm going to show you what I got in, right? So we have, this is Lucy the hare. Love that. She names everybody. I think that's awesome. This guy's new. I like him. This is Atticus the snake. So fun. Atticus. I like the name she picks too. These all come from England. She's such a talented gal that designs these. This is Rufus the lion. This one's cool. I like him. I think he's new. Jermaine the gorilla. Good old Jermaine. How cute is that? And last but not least, in the 1 category, Bridget the elephant. How cute is that? Every one of her characters starts on the bottom, and it's a circle. And then you crochet the arms. All the arms are the same. All the legs are the same. And all the heads are just variations on a theme, okay? So once you kind of get it, I guess you get it. I'm not a huge crocheter, but... All right, this is in the category 2, because I think of the changing colors. And this is Alice, the zebra. Love her. Then we have 2 3s. Love this guy. Oh, girl, I'm sorry. Caitlin, the giraffe. Look at her. How cute is that? Caitlin. And last but not least, this Annabelle, the blue morpho butterfly. The blue morpho butterfly. Annabelle. All right. Challenges ahead. We also got in 4 of her books. So if it's not a complete kit, but if you are already a crocheter and would be interested, these are all full of patterns, and she has them by theme. So this is How to Crochet Animals from the Ocean. Love that. How to Crochet Farm Animals. 25 mini menagerie patterns, 25 patterns in each book. That's really nice. How to crochet wild animals, right? And last but not least, how to crochet animal pets. I guess that's a gecko, right? You can have a gecko or a lizard. There you go. All right, so cool. She is a talented girl. Anyway, we're glad to have them back in stock. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, come Wednesday, we are having a trunk show from a local artist, Sheep to Shorn. Oh, what's the name of her yarn? Oof, I'm so sorry. Michelle. I'll tell you again tomorrow. Anyway, come Wednesday evening during social knitting from 5 to 7. She's going to talk about her yarn. It's all organic, and it is all natural dyes from seeds and berries and leaves and all kinds of stuff. And it's beautiful. She's very thoughtful, and the yarn is not a superwash, but it is gorgeous and would be most unusual and fun to knit with. So come listen to Michelle and find out about her projects and her yarn. Okay, I think that's it. I'll talk to you tomorrow.